Okay, so today we are going to create a thank you letter using Google Docs. So first you're going to sign into your Google account and start a new document. Once your document opens up, you will have a blank page as well as a title up here that starts saying untitled. So you're going to click on the title and you're going to write thank you and then add the name of whoever you are thanking. So I'm going to say thanks to my dad. So we're all going to have different people and reasons for writing our thank you note. And there's a lot of different ways that we can design the text. So right now we are going to just address the person. So I'm going to say, Dear Dad. And then I'm going to go to the next line. And then you're going to skip down one more as well. Okay, I want my text to be a different color. So I'm going to go ahead and change the text color to dark blue because that's my dad's favorite color. For the body of the letter, I'm going to say, thank you so much for buying me my groceries last weekend. I am still appreciating the chocolate chip cookies. Okay, that's just an example. I'm going to highlight thank you. I'm actually going to bold it just to highlight that. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a date. So I'm going to actually skip down 2 spaces and then go up 2 more. And then I'm going to align it on the right side just like that. And I'm going to write September 15th, 2018. So that we have a date. Actually, I'm also going to change the text. So I'm just going to highlight the whole thing with the mouse, and then I'm going to change the font just to be a little bit more fun. So we're going to do this cool quicksand. Oh yeah, okay, that's what we're going to do. So that's how you start your letter. And then once you finish the body of the letter, you're going to go down here, align it right again, and you're going to sign your name. And if you'd like, you can keep that blue or whatever color you chose, or you can turn it black again. Okay?